Hello everyone, welcome to iTube classes. Today is 2nd of May 2022 and this is the Hindu newspaper for the day. In this small video, I will be telling you the most important articles for the day that you must go through. Along with that, I will be telling you that this particular article belongs to which part of our syllabus which is given by UPSC. Let's get started. This is the first article for the day that you must go through and this is given on the page number 1. And this article belongs to GS paper 3 and GS paper 2. This article talks about the GST revenue collection from the March month. So from our syllabus, we can cover it from the taxation part, we can cover it for the tax reform part because GST is considered to be the most radical tax reform after independence. This can also be covered from the financial relationship between center and state because there is this crisis or tussle going on between various states and the center, and many states are demanding more GST revenue allocation to the state. So that fight is also going on. You can also cover it from the growth perspective, what is the relation between GDP growth and the tax revenue, because government is saying because their tax revenue, their GST collection is very huge, so government is claiming that economy is recovering. On the other hand, some experts are saying no, higher tax collection doesn't mean economic reform, higher tax revenue doesn't mean economic growth. It can have different implications. So to know all these things, you must go through this article. Next article that we have is this is given on the page number 1 as well. It talks about the ex-MLA held in Kerala hate speech case. So it's a BJP MLA who belongs to from Kerala, and he is arrested because he has delivered some hate news. So this hate news belongs to our GS paper 1 and GS paper 2. And which topic? Communalism. It's a very important topic given in our GS paper 1 where we read about the society. So it is given from there. We need to cover secularism, communalism and all that. Mechanism and laws to protect vulnerable groups. So this is also our part GS paper 2. So this topic belongs to this part, and in this you need to read what is the meaning of hate speech, what is the definition of hate speech which is given by the Law Commission of India, what are the laws, what are the sanctions of IPC which are given regarding this hate speech, what are the provisions which are given in Representation of People Act. All these things are mentioned in this article, so you must go through it. I will give it according to importance 3 star. So I will give it 3 star to this article. Next article, friends, that we have is this. This is also given on page number 1. And this article belongs to actually GS paper 2. And from which topic? Look, it says e-Shram to help settle workers' accident claims. So first is that we have e-Shram. It's a portal which was launched by our government last year. And this the major objective of this port was actually was to bring unorganized workers to the organized sector. So what they do, they just apply with their Aadhaar card and they enter their details in that portal so that government can know, okay, these are the people, they now are a part of this particular informal kind of sector, so that they can be provided more benefits in terms of food and everything, subsidy and all that. So for that this portal was launched, and this comes from our this topic, welfare schemes for the vulnerable section and government policy. So this topic is a part of our GS paper 2. So you must read it. I will give it as according to importance 3.5 star. You must go through it. Next article that we have is given on the page number 7, and it belongs to GS paper 2. Actually, it is part of our editorial today, and it's a very new article. It talks about the Ayush industry. Like what are the perspective, what are the potential of the Ayush, what is the potential of herbal medicine all over the world. They have even covered the aspect of China as well, and what are the policies that government has taken for the Ayush industry, and how Ayush industry or this whole Ayush thing can be promoted in country, and what is the economic potential of that. All those things are covered in this article. And from which topic it belongs to? Management of social sector services related to health. It's a topic given in our GS paper 2 syllabus. Government policy and interventions aimed at the development in various sectors and the issue arising. So they have also mentioned some issues that despite having a huge potential of Ayush, why this is not growing very high. So that is also mentioned here. So from that section you can cover this topic. Next topic that we have is from the page number 7, and it belongs to GS paper 2 and GS paper 3. And what is the topic? Management of human resource, because this topic topic talks about the development of human resource in our scientific community. It also talks about their funding, it talks about their perspective. That article can be covered, but from the importance perspective I will give it only 2 stars, because from the exams perspective not a very good detail is given. But yes, from which topic? Management of human resources, budgeting, because it also talks about the budget allocation to the R&D, ISRO, ICRNE, all that. So it also talks about it. So that is why I mentioned it under the budgeting as well. Indigenous of the technology. So that topics can be covered from our GS paper 2 and GS paper 3. Now, next article that we have is this. It belongs to page number 8. And from our GS paper 2. And this article actually talks about the Delhi dual governance conundrum. So what happened? Now government has come up with this law, and they have merged all these 3 municipalities in Delhi, and as a result of that huge controversy was also there. So it belongs to GS paper 2, and which are the topics it covers? Federalism, local government, devaluation of the power and finances up to local levels and the challenges therein. So this topic is given in our GS paper 2. So from that perspective this topic can be covered. Next article that we have is this, from the page number 8, paper 1 and paper 3. This topic talks about the recent vows to the jute industry in West Bengal. From the exams perspective I will give it 4.5 stars. So it is a must read. So actually this article covers a whole jute industry and the concerns regarding that in India. So we must know the history of the jute industry that belongs to this West Bengal and that East Pakistan wala region. So we should know what are the location factors responsible for the growth of the jute in that particular area, and what are the factors which are responsible for the decline of jute industry over a period of time, and what are the challenges that these jute mill owners are facing currently. What are the government policies which are not helping those jute mill owners, and what are the government policies in the center which is launched by the center to improve this jute production in India? What are the challenges and all that? So all those articles can be covered from this article. Of course that much detail is not provided, but you need to do some extra Google for that. So that topic is very important. I have given it 4.5 star. And from which topic we can cover? So it's from the GS paper 1 in geography as well, and the economy section as well. Indian economy and the issues to the planning, growth, location factor of industry. So it belongs to our geography part. Upar wala belongs to our economy wala part. So that can be covered from there. Next article that we have is page number 9. It is from the GS paper 1, which is a part of society, geography, culture, history. So from that part this can be covered. So it is covered from the society wala part. And what is the topic? Social empowerment, role of women, effect of globalization on the Indian society. So that topic can be covered from this part. Actually I will give it only 2.5 star as compared to importance, but yes, it can be known. Actually they have given some theories that earlier, which theories was why fertility of the women was high, why fertility of women was low, what is the relation between fertility and the growth, what is the relation between fertility and the women participation in the workforce. So all those topics are covered from this article, so that can be read. Just take a surface reading, not that much important I guess. Then we have this article, keep health facility prepared for the heat wave cases, says government. So this is given on the page number 12 and it belongs to GS paper 2. GS paper 2 as well, and you can also mention some GS paper 2 as well, because it also talks about government initiative and the steps. So disaster management, say that topic can be covered. Changes in the critical geographical phenomena, so only geography wala part. But if you talk about some government initiatives which are taken to tackle this heat wave and disaster management, that can be covered from the GS paper 2. But yes, and not too much given detail is given in this article, but yes, you need to do something smart work, something on your own to make this topic very much important. So if you cover this topic, I will give it 3.5 star. But if you read this topic only, I will give it only 1.5 star. So you can cover from that. Now this is the for the day. And now you know that which article are important, and those articles needs to be covered from which part of the syllabus. So I think that is covered now, and every day we bring you this kind of video where you can know that which part of the Hindu newspaper is important. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button as well. And in our comment section you can also give us some suggestions and the feedback that what are the things that you want us to be added here. Now you can also share with your friends also, so that our family can grow. And you please subscribe to this channel so that you can get the first notification in case in future we bring some new videos. So this is all about today. Thank you very much. All the best and Jai Hind.